All right, guys, very good then. Perfect, very good job. So we have just practiced with the pronunciation of numbers. The numbers that end in teen, right? You know, the last syllable is usually stressed. And also the numbers that end in T, right? TY. Remember that the first syllable is always stressed. And we have practiced with a word wall activity. Very good job. Now, guys, let's do another activity. Let me share with you guys this template, this PowerPoint template. Here I'm sending you guys the document of this PowerPoint. And I want you right now, guys, to open it up. Yes, open, please, the template that I'm sending you. You can also print it. Yes, you can also print it, guys. If you want, you can print it, or you can work it directly on here. Yes, on the PowerPoint document. What are you going to do? So, as you can see here, we have some speech bubbles, right? And we have a title at the top. What are you going to do first? First, guys, complete the title of this brainstorming map with the name of one of your relatives, of one of your family members. For example, it's going to be something like this. What does my mother do, for example? Yes, you can write, for example, what does my father do, my uncle do, my sister, my brother, my cousin, maybe. Yep, that's what you're going to write in. Perfect. Now, on each speech bubble, you are going to write a specific hour. Yep. For example, at 6 a.m., at 1:45 p.m., at 6:30 p.m., or maybe at 8 p.m. Right? You decide. Then, under each specific hour, you are going to write an activity that your relative does, that your family member does. For example, it starts here. At 6 a.m., she gets up early and goes to work. At 1:45 p.m., she gets home and has lunch with us. At 6:30, she takes the dog for a walk. At 8 p.m., my mom has dinner with us and then watches TV. That's what, guys, you're gonna do right now. Yes? Perfect. So, let's work. All right, my friends, time is up. Very good then. Everybody finished? Yes? Fantastic. Awesome. Now, guys, let's work on one more activity, and we are gonna need, guys, our brainstorming map. Yep. First, guys, check, make sure if it is completed. Yes, make sure that you completed the title with one of your relatives, one of your family members, and write a specific activities at a specific hours. Yes, that your relative does. Right? Here you got an example of what you had done. Now, what are you going to do next? I'm gonna divide you guys into groups. You are gonna talk to 3 classmates and ask them what does his or her family member does. Okay? That's what you're going to do. You're gonna ask your friend, for example, what does your uncle do? After that, your friend, your classmate, will explain you what his or her family member, his or her relative, does. Okay, my friends, remember you're going to talk to 3 of your classmates. Clear? Fantastic. So, my friends, let's work. Okay, guys, time is up. Very good job then. I could listen. Everybody was participating. Very good job. And we are improving a lot on pronunciation. Very good then. Perfect. Good job, guys. Let's continue practicing now, my friends. And what are you going to do, guys, right now? I'm gonna share, guys, a YouTube video with you. Yep. Let's see. What do we got? Yes, it is right over here. Let me share my screen with you guys. Yep, everybody can see my screen here. Fantastic. So, what are you gonna do here? Let me explain. You are gonna watch and listen to the activities mentioned in this video. Okay, guys? While you are listening and watching the video, I want you to take notes of the activities and the hours that this activity occurred, that these activities happen. For example, you may listen at 6:30 a.m. I get up and take a quick shower. For example, so you're gonna write then, you're gonna take notes. 6 a.m., get up, take a shower, right? Fantastic. Yes, so pay a lot of attention. When the video finishes, after that, guys, I'm gonna ask you questions about the activities and at what time they happen. Yes? So remember to watch and listen carefully, and while you do that, take notes. My friends, let's listen carefully. Here we go. Very good, guys. Very good job. You answered all the questions. All your answers were correct. Perfect. You are good listeners. We're improving a lot. Very good job. Now, guys, we are going to jump into a final activity, which is going to be our assessment. We have a small game here, which is going to be a wordwall activity. What are you going to do, guys? Let me share my screen with you. This is going to be a quiz game. You're going to look carefully at the hours presented on the screen. You're going to select the correct alternative. You will only have a few seconds to select an alternative. So pay a lot of attention, guys. Let's see what do we have. So, guys, what time is it? Is it A, 9:30? Is it B, 9:05? It's 5 to 9. Oh, you need more time? Are you sure? What do you say? Is it A? Is it B? C? You say it's letter C. What should we select, guys? Look at the time. Letter B? It's 9:05. Let's see. Very good job. Awesome. Perfect. Let's continue, guys. Let's see what else do we have. Question number 2. Let's take a look.